Squarespace is believed to be a really fantastic and SEO friendly content management system. And in this video, you're gonna exactly see how you can leverage Squarespace and content and other aspects of SEO to get more traffic, to get more leads and whatnot. So in this video, we'll be talking about 3 variables in SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical sides of things. But again, if you are not really touching a lot of stuff in Squarespace and its setting, in most of the cases, your technical sides of things would be correct. What I exactly mean by touching settings in Squarespace is if you have not disabled Google's bot crawling on your website and stuff like that. If you haven't done that, in most of the cases, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't. So in that case, it's fine. You don't really have to put a lot of efforts in the technical sides of things. You just have to focus on 2 main things: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO or on-page search engine optimization is basically optimizing your website's content, increasing the overall topical authority of your website and all those stuff. Whereas off-page is all about backlinks and doing optimization on third-party websites. Now, if you actually go with the logic, you cannot really automate off-page SEO. You cannot really. You have to do it manually, or you have to maybe get a vendor to sell you the links. But again, if your on-page SEO is really good, you won't really need much of the backlink sides of stuff. If you have got your on-page right, if you have got your content part right, you don't really have to worry a lot about doing the off-page sides of thing. So let's get started with the on-page sides of thing. So in a nutshell, on-page consists of optimizing your content, headers, topical relevancy of your website, and overall website, right? So these 4 stuff, let's start with it. This is a website, or this is a forum which is ranking pretty good for best coffee maker, though we are not going to look into this one, but we will be looking into this one, right? So let's focus on why this particular website is ranking really well for a very competitive term, and that is best coffee maker. Let's kind of unleash the science behind it. So if we start seeing the on-page sides of things, this particular website has got 4,687 words, which is pretty humongous. So other than that, this particular website has got the best coffee makers in title, same stuff in description, same stuff in their URL, which is something which a lot of people kind of overlook. You don't have to. As you're watching this video, make sure you actually do this. Other than that, they have got the keyword in their heading 1, heading 2, another heading 2, and all other headings. A lot of their headings contain coffee and all the terms related to that. Other than that, if we see the content, right, if you see, they've got the author name over here. They have got a really good image. They have got a table of content, another internal link, and some more internal links, titles, images, and all those stuff. One more thing which you won't find a lot in other ones is specs, which is kind of in a nutshell or specs of that particular product. This is very important. This really, really helps. And other than that, if you see, they have got, stuff like, here it is, they have got some, frequently asked questions and all those stuff. Now, you have got 2 options. You can create content like that. I already showed you what sort of stuff you need to have in your content, or you can use tools like some AI writing tools. But the main stuff is, if you're using ChatGPT or Claude AI for this, you won't get the quality that you would want. They're not gonna get you, or they're not gonna do your internal link, external linking. They're not gonna do your tabular stuff, specs, images, automate AI images, and all those stuff. You have to do it manually. It's gonna take a lot of time. So you have got 2 stuff, whether you can just do it manually. If you have got time, great. But if you want to automate it, and that's the title of this video, that is AI SEO for Squarespace, and that's what we are gonna focus on. We are gonna use a tool named as tryjournalist.com for this. I've been using this tool since last few months, and I have already got some case studies on this channel showcasing what sort of results that I got using Try Journalist, and that's the reason That's the primary reason why I suggest this tool. They have got integrations for Squarespace. You just have to integrate it with your website, and it will automatically publish on your website. Now, first of all, let's see why the content on this particular tool and the content written using this tool is so good. Why am I talking about this tool a lot? So if you see, they have got a image, a keyword focused title, a table of content, which not really a lot of tools are having. Key takeaways. I really love these things, to be honest. Any of the website, any of the blog posts that I read, and if they're having key takeaways, man, it's like reading the summary of a book, right? So that's the thing. Other than that, they have got another image, a lot of simplified stuff over here. You see this? These are very easy to read. This helps in ranking. Google sees that it's an extra effort of your content. They have got a YouTube video too. Crazy. And if you see, this video is very much relevant to what we're writing on, right? So that's the thing. Another image, in a nutshell part. Tables, I fucking love this thing. Other than that, they have got another internal link. Then FAQs. This is a great stuff. This is a great place to add keywords, and the tool does pretty good job adding the keywords over here. Then meta description. Now you don't have to really do a lot of stuff over here. You could just add your website and click on post to integration after doing this, and the tool will automatically publish it to your Squarespace website. Boom. This is gonna save you a lot of time. And even if you wanna edit it a bit, you can surely just click on this part and edit it. Boom. Or you can just copy it, paste it in a Google Doc, edit this, post it to integration, whatever you want and however you want. It's that easy. And that's it. If you kind of do this stuff, in most of the cases, you won't really need a lot of backlinks until it's way too competitive term. But yeah, if you do it right, you are not gonna need backlink stuff in most of the cases, as I said, until it's a competitive term, right? This is how I have been doing this stuff lately, and this is how I suggest people. Let me know if you have got any questions. Feel free to comment below. I'll be there to answer it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.